For someone considering implant dentistry over conventional crown and bridge, implant dentistry is absolutely the best way to go. Implant dentistry by the National Institute of Health is the #1 way to replace a missing tooth. You replace a tooth with a bridge, you're still going to get bone loss. You're not going to maintain the density or the volume where that tooth was. An implant allows you to maintain the bone, the density where that tooth was. Not only that, but they've done a lot of studies, and after 10 years, the implant is 90% there. A bridge is only 75% there. Investing in an implant as opposed to investing in conventional crown and bridge is like buying insurance. Except this insurance pays off because over time, you're going to have more issues with a conventional bridge than you will with a dental implant. A dental implant doesn't decay. That's what kills bridges. People think when they put a crown on a tooth, it's invincible. But the part that isn't is right where the margin meets the tooth. Nobody really brushes that area. That's why I'm in business, because people don't brush really well, even though they say they do. The reason implant dentistry works out so well is because most people who are missing teeth because they haven't really done a great job at maintaining their natural dentition, and they're looking for an alternative to their natural dentition. Titanium and its porcelain, it's not going to decay. And now with zirconium as being the crown, it's even better than porcelain. It's stronger, it's more durable, doesn't have all the weaknesses that porcelain used to have. If you're looking to save money and you're a smart investor, invest in a dental implant and a zirconium crown as opposed to doing a 3-unit bridge. Your best alternative, long-term, short-term, is definitely to have an implant support crown.